I told you that your worst day could become the reason you win? Sounds crazy, but I've learned how to take pain, stress, failure, rejection, and bad energy and flip it into something that is called pure flow. Stick to the end of this video and you're going to learn something. And once you figure it out, everything in your life is going to change. Let's be real, bad days are unavoidable. There were times I felt crushed, like nothing was working out. Most people stop here, but I asked myself, what if pain isn't the end but the beginning? That shift turned something and made my life find the power in it. I started using my bad days as data. Instead of complaining, I studied what went wrong. Instead of quitting, I trained harder. That pain wasn't proof I was weak, it was proof I was still in the fight. And slowly I realized pain wasn't my enemy, it was my greatest coach. It was there to guide me, it was my greatest advisor. The truth is, pain sharpens you, it exposes your weaknesses so you can strengthen them. It humbles you as well, but it also makes you resilient. Every time I bounced back from failure, I came back smarter, stronger, and hungrier for success. Pain stopped being something I feared, it became the engine behind my wins. So if you're in pain right now as you're watching this video, don't hide from it. Write it down, learn from it, and turn it into action. That's how you transform bad days into victories and success and wins. And if you're ready to flip your pain into power, comment power below and stick around, because in my next video I'll show you the 24 hours reset method I use to bounce back even faster. So click this link because YouTube thinks is what you like to watch next.